As a part of its Black Friday deal, Submagic is offering a 40% discount on its annual plans, and with an exclusive coupon code, you can save an additional 10%, making it an almost 50% discount. This deal is only available for November 29th and 30th, so let us quickly see how to claim this limited time discount. Start by clicking the first link in the description below to head to the Submagic website. Log into your Submagic account and click Upgrade Plan. To secure the 40% discount, make sure to switch to the yearly plan option. Pick the plan that works best for you and proceed to the payment page. You will find the option to enter a promotion code. Enter the code WB Explainer, click Apply, and watch the total drop even further by an extra 10%. This extra discount works for monthly plans too. After applying the discount, fill out the payment details on the right-hand side, and complete your payment. If you want a step-by-step tutorial on how to use Submagic AI, then you can check this video right here. If you liked this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching.